let's say I want to find the dimensions of a standard 32-inch TV. Flat screen, of course. Right? So here's my model of a 32-inch TV. Well, how do I know it's 32 inches? Because we measure the size of a TV along the diagonal. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a diagonal here. There's my diagonal. And we're going to let that be 32. We'll let that be 32 inches. 32 inches. Oops. 32. I just all right, so here it is. All right, so let's finish labeling this. Since the aspect ratio of a modern flat screen, and I want to go ahead and indicate that. So the aspect ratio is going to be 16 to 9. That's the aspect ratio of a modern TV, which means that since the 16 is the width and 9 is the height, so that means my sides, my width is going to be 16 times some number x, and my height is going to be 9 times some number x. As you can see, what we've done when we do that is we've created a right triangle that we can find x by using the Pythagorean theorem. So let's do that. So the Pythagorean theorem says, and I can go ahead and let's go ahead and do a split here. All right. Come back here, and I need a calculator. All right. The Pythagorean says that, and I use menu 3, 1 for end solve. If we take one, let's say we take one of the sides, like the width, and square it, and then we add the square of the other side, which is going to be 9x, which is the height. Let's square that. That should be equal to the square of the hypotenuse, which is also the width of our TV. Not the width, but the size of our TV, 32 squared. Okay? And because I'm using the calculator to solve this equation, I gotta put a comma and x. All right? So let's figure out what x is. X is 1.743. Yeah, that's what it is. So that's what x is. So now that we know what x is, all we got to do to find our length and our width, or actually our width and our height of TV, or the dimensions, is multiply times 16 to get the width. So I'm going to go 16 times this 1.74. That gives me, that's my width, that's in inches. And then let's get my height. 9 times 1.74. That's not a times I just did. 9 times 1.74. Multiply that. That gives me my height. So to find my area, I would just simply multiply these two numbers. And I'm just going to use a copy and paste. I'm just going to go up here. Let's see, let me go. Yeah. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this number, pressing enter, times this number. And I'll press enter, and I'll get the area. And so here are the dimensions. My height is 15.6, almost 16 inches. My width is almost 28 inches, and my area is 435, really 436 cubic inches. And that is what we want to know about our TV.